Dear students, I am present with textual exercise of the poem Wrinkles written by Arvind. So let's begin with question number 1, that is how many wrinkles does the poet find on mother's face? तो कितनी wrinkles देखी थी ये देख लीजिएगा. If we read the poem carefully, we will see that the poet has used the word wrinkle 4 times and wrinkles 2 times. So we can say that the poet has found 4 wrinkles on her mother's face. Since the poet has written the lost wrinkle as suppressions, so there are maybe 5 wrinkles on mother's face. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है what does the first wrinkle represent? तो क्या करती है फर्स्ट wrinkle represent? जैसे कि पोइट ने कहा है the first wrinkle represent the marriage of his mother when her father got her married and she was separated from her birth home to another's home where she had to live her entire life with an unknown person. Question number 3 is what do the second and the third wrinkle represent? The second wrinkle represent the time when the child was not born and was in the womb of the mother, growing there by sucking every drop of blood in the form of mother's food. Second wrinkle, third wrinkle. The third wrinkle represents the time when he sucked the attractiveness of her face by sucking her milk from her breast. Question number 4 is what is the poet seeking under the wrinkles of her mother? Under the wrinkle of the mother, the poet is seeking a young-aged girl who is fond of playing hopscotch and the game of pebbles. Number 5 is what are the activities poet's mother used to do when she was a girl? The poet mother's when the poet mother was a girl, she used to celebrate red festival and immerse red seedlings in the river Tavi. She used to bath during the Navaratras and was fond of playing hopscotch and the game of pebbles. Question number 6 is how does the end? अब पोइम का एंड कैसे हुआ? The poem ends with the poet saying that he will bring colors of red, colorful stripes for his mother's dupatta and colorful pebbles for his mother's, so that his mother would look like a girl as she was in a young age. He wished to bring the happiness and pleasure of her young age. ये थे आपके क्वेश्चंस. अब लैंग्वेज वर्क देख लीजिएगा. यहाँ पे कुछ एक्सप्रेशन या फ्रेजेस दिए हुए हैं, उनके मीनिंग्स आपने बताने हैं. तो देख लीजिएगा. यहाँ पे बता रहा राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस आर एक्सप्रेशन एज यूज्ड इन द पोएम. नंबर 1 इज फ्रॉम द बैकयार्ड. ठीक है, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या निकलता है? जैसे एक्सप्रेशंस पोएम में दी है, टू सेपरेट समवन फ्रॉम हिज और हर बर्थ प्लेस और क्वाइटली. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर पार्ट नंबर 2 है, यहाँ पे बता रहा है, कहता है कि ऑन योर ब्लड, तो टू फीड ऑन द डाइजेस्टेड फूड, टू मेक द होस्ट ऑफ समवन. थर्ड इज नॉरिश्ड माई सेल्फ, टू ग्रो और डेवलप ऑन सेल्फ. Fourth one is took me away, तो मीनिंग है टू टेक समवन अवे फ्रॉम द क्लोज one or separate someone from a dear one. Number 5 is taking courage, to being courageous. 6 is under the skin, beneath or below the edge, or feel or see something. Number 7 is from across the river to a long distance with hard work. ये है इसका मीनिंग. थैंक्स एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.